Going to replacing Dell Laptop's hard disk. First, remove this panel. It have two screws. After that, we can see hard disk. It have also two screws, and remove it. We can see one plastic ribbon on hard disk. Pull back the hard disk and remove it. After, pull forward hard disk by using this ribbon and remove it. Now, going to removing its clip. For fixing it, another hard disk. It have two screws. Going to fixing it to my working hard disk. Going to fixing it to laptop. Push back hard disk into laptop. Pull forward hard disk by using this ribbon and connect hard disk to its SATA power port. After that, fix back its screws. And fixing its cover. Laptop's hard disk replaced successfully.